Živijo Kataya in Duncan.
Čau!
Hi! Duncan, do you know any Slovenian words? Duncan, poznaš kakšno slovensko besedo?
No, ima 2000.
Bravo!
Very good, very good. Torej, a sta pripravljena na ekspresni intervju pred Emo2017 sekunde?
Ja, ajde gremo hitro.
You ready, Duncan?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Gremo. Predstavi sebe v 3 besedah.
Bombastična, vokalitastična, tečna tudi včasih.
Introduce yourself in 3 words.
Myself or the band?
You.
Oh, me. Quiet, reserved, and fun.
Zakaj ne ljudje glasujejo za vajino pesem?
Zato, ker imamo ful dobro zgodbo, ker je glasbo povezala ekipo skoraj z celega sveta.
Krasno.
Why should people vote for your song?
Because it's going to be very unique. I think we're going to give them something that they haven't heard in a while.
Glasbeni idol tvoj vseh časov.
Imam glasbenega idola, imam pa žensko, ki občudujem njeno delovno etiko in to je Beyoncé.
My musical idol of all time is?
James Taylor.
Moja največja skrivnost iz otroštva je...
Ves čas sem plezala po drevesih, nikoli nisem padla.
Ne.
My biggest childhood secret is?
Really afraid of heights.
Oh, interesting.
Katera je tvoja najpesem Eurovizije?
Loreen Euphorija.
Your best song from the Eurovision Song Contest?
My favorite was 2 years ago from the Australian team. One of the writers was David Ryan Harrison.
Yeah.
Dokončaj stavek brez glasbe.
Tipično ne morem živeti.
Finish the sentence without music.
My life would be very boring.
Če bi imel 100 milijonov evrov, bi...
Vložila v kakšne nepremičnine, vase, kupila vsem, ki jih imam rada, vse, kar si želijo, šla na potovanje okoli sveta, poskrbela za svoje otroke, vnuke,
Zmanjkal bi že.
Okay, big wishes for Kataya. If you had 100 million euros, what would you do?
I'd invest all of it in music and I would never work another day.
Kako te prijatelji kličejo ljubkovalno?
Me ne kličejo ljubkovalno.
Katim.
Ja, grda Maggie. Sploh nimaš ljubkovalnega imena za mene, majke.
Okay, Duncan, how do you...
So ljubkovalne.
How your friends call you, like in a cute way?
Nickname.
Nickname.
I used to have this really bad mustache and my friends used to call me Jorge.
Okay. Naslov zadnje knjige, ki ste jo prebrala, si jo prebral?
Jaz sem prebrala od Elene Seničar, Zavedanje in moč.
The last book you read?
Dark Money.
Če bi lahko zavrtel čas nazaj, bi se vrnil?
Ne bi se vrnila.
If you could turn back the time, I would go to...
The 1970s, that was when a lot of the music that I do was really popular.
Super.
Okay, and now invite all the people to vote for you. Povabite še vse ljudi, da glasujejo za vaju.
Vote for us.
Ja!
I mean, look
Simple.
at her.
To, kar je on
vote for
rekel.
her.
Hvala! Bye!
Bravo, čau!